My name is John Bolander, and I'm the owner of Man's Best Friend. Man's Best Friend is a dog training, boarding facility. We specialize in dog training, but we also offer services such as doggy daycare, grooming, retail, a little bit of everything. I've been in the Atlanta market now for about 10 years, and started with the Barter Company 8 years ago, and it's been nothing but outstanding for me. Anytime I need anything, all I do is I pick up the phone and talk to the girls over there, and they provide me with anything from advertising, lawn maintenance, plumbing, electricians, anything that you could imagine, they have it. I have developed a huge barter clientele over the last 8 years, and if your business wants to grow and you need more customer base, especially in today's economy, the Barter Company's the way to go. Barter offers a lot of opportunity for advertising, so I've used it for radio spots, I've used it for direct mail. I've also used it for services for my facilities, lawn maintenance, any repairs I need, heating, air conditioning, any service that I have to have, all it is a phone call away and they provide it for me. I have had numerous associates that I've referred over to the Barter Company that have become members, and their relationship is basically the same as mine. They couldn't be happier with the service. They couldn't be happier with the products that the Barter Company provides us with.